Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need an admin or editor account and a quick backup. Once those are ready, log into the WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're on the posts list view so you can see titles, statuses, and dates. Next, scan for the specific post by using the search box or filters, category, author, status. Once located, pause to choose whether you'll trash, edit, or bulk delete. This decision affects recovery options and any linked media. With the post visible, select the checkbox beside it or multiple boxes for bulk deletion. Click Bulk Actions, right arrow move to Trash and Apply, or hover a single post and pick Trash. If you need to edit the slug or change visibility before removing, use Quick Edit or Edit to avoid broken links. Remember, trashing preserves recovery for 30 days by default. Emptying trash or selecting Delete permanently removes the post and associated revisions immediately, which affects restoration options. After moving posts to trash, go to the trash view and confirm by clicking Empty Trash if you want permanent removal, otherwise restore within 30 days. Once deleted permanently, check Media Library and database cleanup if necessary. If the post still appears, clear site and server caches, resave permalinks, and disable conflicting plugins temporarily. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion fails, enable WP debug or check error logs and file permissions. This reveals permission or plugin conflicts that block delete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.